Hi guys, how you doing? I've got another box opening today, and this is a completely new concept for me. Well, it's related to the dolls, it's related to BJDs, it relates to vinyl dolls. It's quite a famous store in Japan, I think. It's called Mandarake. So Mandarake is something where you can find second-hand things, also obviously new things like vinyl dolls or figurines, anime type thing, which I don't like anime, you probably know. I do like anime when it doesn't have a big eyes kind of thing, and I like the aesthetic of it, but not the eyes. That's just deal breaker for me, I'm afraid. But the rest, I'm quite open to anything. So this been ordered in the beginning of this week, actually probably on the weekend even, and it's been delivered by DHL. It's a doll and Angel Philia. I must say, when the first time I saw the Angel Philia a few years back, I wasn't impressed purely because of the strange faces they pulling. It's a bit of a, like sexualized, I think, faces. However, so I ordered this Angel Philia because I couldn't find this doll anyway. It's been sold out basically on the site. And also there is a dealers which like Fates, I think, dealer who sells them and like do like pre-order things. So I pre-ordered one of the Angel Philia dolls. I think it's Mona. So once arrive, I will open the box as well on camera, but she should arrive in January. But while I was kind of opening myself a new venue of Mandarake store, I thought, okay, let's explore it. And I found this doll which was out of stock anywhere else. So I thought, okay, let's take it because I don't think they repeat. I'm not sure because I was trying to research the Xanthophilia company for a while now, and I could not find the beginning of it. I know it's based on a beats of frame. I know there is a whoever sculptor, the artist who doing the producing them, obviously ordering through a Bitsu who kind of produces this vinyl parts. I understood. Maybe I'm completely wrong. If you know the history of the brand, I would appreciate if you share in the comments, please. I did, like I said, research and I could not locate any like a story how it's all started. So this got interesting face. It has got some kind of thing going on, I think, but let's open and see. The sculpt name, when I ordered it, the sculpt called HanaKoi, something like that, I don't remember. But in fact, it's actually Karen, apparently. So when I bought it, they changed that listing and actually put the Karen name on the same door. And I thought, oh, that's why I couldn't find the sculpt anywhere. Hooray! So it's a lot of plastic. So what is my cat? He likes playing with that. Okay. Paper. There's nothing in the box. And that's the box. Oh, by the way, I was banned from Smart Doll. It's probably because of my last video where I said there is a quality issues with the vinyl. Oops. Obviously somebody can't take it as an adult, a grown-up person, but I don't care. I'll take my money elsewhere. Okay. Box inside the box inside the box and inside the box. Okay, I want now doll nudity. Big time. Like a lot. So I guess this is the soft skin. I don't know what pink drops. Pink drops soft skin. Pink drops, I guess, is the name of the color of the skin. Soft skin means that the vinyl is very thin and quite soft, so it allowed the Bitsu frame, which is inside the doll, to kind of do basically the posability. So it comes with the I think it's a spare fit. I don't think it's heeled one because they flat and they all blushed. So Angel Philia, they all come blushed and for the face up, which is a bonus because I hate doing face ups. And yes, that's the normal fit. For some reason it's I thought it's gonna be heeled fit, but no. Read description. It was obviously translated from Japanese to English, and it was a bit odd because they say, "Oh, nothing come with the doll, nothing. You don't get nothing. You get nothing. You get nothing at all." I think, okay, just give me the doll then. Okay, and that's spare hand. They'll come in like nicely wrapped. Yes, they will blushed as well. So that's the hand, which, you know, like a little, yeah. So little fists and open hand. Just open hand. I'll show you probably a bit later. So the doll looks like this. She lays like this. Mummy. And she got a little pretty bow here, which I need to undo. She's quite well protected, actually. No, there is no stand. Oh well, I ordered from Parabox. They've got loads of them anyway, and they're quite cheap. So that's the face. It hasn't got the tongue out. That's the one who got tongue in. I think it's cute. It's like more surprise look I like. I'm not gonna probably do anything naughty with this doll, so I don't. Apart from some nice photographs. Yeah, so she didn't come with any underwear. I think some of them do come with underwear. Oh well. Heeled feet are on her already. Okay, I thought they're gonna... I'm getting confused now. The magnetic stand. How are they gonna stand if she hasn't got the magnetic feet? I don't know. I'm warning again, don't nudity, please. Children shouldn't be watching this anyway, because my channel is not for children. Ah, I see. That's why they called soft skin. Not only because it's thin vinyl, but it's also very squishy. Now I see why it's literally like really squishy, which is nice. Some people stuff it, which is fine. Different. She's very cold. Oh, we had our first snow in the UK today, and it was quite pretty actually. Yeah, so people who have a Bitsu before, they recognize the aesthetics, although obviously this the reason some people stuff in it, because do you see this dent? That's what's happened. So I think I will stuff it as well, so to avoid this. I know it's gonna basically affect the articulation of the doll, but that's life, I guess. So when you do this, you can see how it's squashed, like a real skin, in fact, when you do this. So it does the same as well. So this one has got quite a big chest compared to all my other dolls. My other dolls, they quite flat, I would say, which is fine. No real different. So, and this is my first one with the. I 3D printed for Smart Doll like a XL bust, but obviously because it's 3D printed, it's a bit hard. So, but this is quite interesting. I will try to dress her up. You know what? When you probably see it in the camera, it doesn't look as pretty because I can see the kind of what it's like. In fact, in real life, she got really nice blushed face, and the face up is outstanding. The amount of detailing on her mouth area is quite amazing, I would say. It's very detailed. The camera eats a lot of it. That's unfortunately the reality. She is blushed and not overly blushed, so there is no much blushing at the back going at all. So it's more of a blushing on her hands and chest and her groin area. Yeah, so I'm quite a bit surprised why they gave the heeled feet in where I attached it instead of giving the flat one. But it's okay. So that's pretty much what she looks like. I'll try to dress her just to make her more decent. She is. So if I grab one of the MSD girls, that's a Soul Doll Ghana, which is MSD size doll. And if we compare her to a Bitsu, well, to Angel Philia, so that the height difference is quite big. If I take a Smart Doll, so that's if I take that girl and kind of compare them, and so roughly that's the height difference. So she's about 50 centimeters, so the 10 centimeters difference is apparent. And also they have different aesthetics, so I wouldn't say that Smart Doll will look great together with Angel Philia. However, I can't yet, well, I'm yet to decide that because obviously the Angel Philia to be dressed. So what else she came with? And she came with this leaflet, like a pamphlet, I don't know what it is, pamphlet, leaflet. Soft skin, and that's the only thing I can read on this pink bit of paper. I'm afraid I don't speak Japanese, so don't read Japanese. Pink drops. And Tommy, I think the Tommy is the guy who, I guess, the guy or girl who produces them or who kind of designs them, I guess. That's how she looks like on the promo picture. So it's supposed to be Karen, however, they call her something else, HanaKoi, which, well, I'm sorry, butchering completely the spelling. And apparently it means the flower, delicate flower or something. Yeah, so the instruction or some sort of like certificate. Corantoto is the, I don't know, what are they? I think it's the company or something. And it's also show here the, no, I only guess that's how to assemble or some modification, because here they're talking about snipping something out of it. So I'm not entirely sure, and I can't read it at all. Anyway, guys, I mean, that was it pretty much. I just want to share my box open. In terms of the articulation, a Bitsu is a Bitsu. They're good at, they're very good. They've got very good posability, and this is they based on the frame 50 centimeters, like, or 48 centimeters. And apparently it's not as bad as the 60 discontinued now 60 centimeters frame, which apparently has some issues, like breakages even. So, can she touch the face? Yes, she can indeed, no problem. That's why I like vinyl, they very articulate, not gonna hit you or kick you like the resin BJDs would. Although everything is well, they're different concepts basically. But I'm very happy with this girl, and it's something new to me to explore, which I'll be happy to do. And she got the same, not problem, but the same kind of issue with head as smart dolls. So you can't actually, they don't really bend as BJD would. So BJD would kind of like look down and so on, look up. They have the frame in here which will do this, like in the chest here, the good frame, not the actual head. But that's my experience previously. But yeah, she needs stuffing. She's a bit dented here. I guess it's more realistic, I think. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, please ask. I would appreciate if you know any more about this, the history, because I'm quite interested in how they started and what they represent and so on. Well, I kind of know what they represent, but there are some more neutral faces, by the way, and which is quite nice. That's the one I ordered, the neutral face. But this was like impulse buy. It's a Christmas present to myself. I thought, why not? I deserve it. Hard work during this year. Thanks you for watching, and if I don't see you before Christmas, have a lovely time. Party hard. Bye.